Alright, how's everybody doing? DJ Powers Family Farm. Running off the farm now to get our old Christmas tree. Throw some hay out, you can kind of see it all back there. We're gonna drop off some hay. Like I said, the Christmas tree. It is like 17 degrees out, so really pleasant. So I got the big puffy coat on, and we're gonna see how everybody's doing. Again, it kind of warmed up for a bit there. We had highs of like 55 and everything got really muddy and gross. And now it's back down to, like I said, 17, you know, lows in the single digits. It's gonna be like that for a couple days. We'll see. They change it every day, so I'm not sure. I do know we have some big snow coming tonight. Oh, big-ish. I don't know, whoever's watching this, some areas get a lot more snow than we do, but you know, 3 to 6 inches they're saying. Localized amounts might be more blowing snow. So I'm just gonna make sure everyone's pinned up good and we don't have any issues. So yeah, oh, and I got a better camera, not as good as the old one, but a better camera, so hopefully there's not a lot of problems with low light and kind of blurriness as there was in the last couple. So I do apologize about that, but now we're back on track, so let's get out there and see what everybody's doing. I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Babel just wants to hit it. That'll be nibbled down to nothing. Buddy, you want to get in there? Back up. Back up. Back up. Come on. Come on in there. No, stay back. Stay back. Hey. I just gotta find leaves. Actually. Ooh, it's quite cold out. Like I said, it's about 17 degrees out. I'm trying to next to the barn for a windbreak. I was dying standing over there by the gate. Still got some bales I need to throw in there, but try to get them all eaten. That one's doing great. Not a whole lot to report, just trying to keep everyone fat and healthy until the babies start coming. One there in the back, for sure, she's for sure pregnant, so that's all good things. They're kind of shivering. Like I said, that wind is cold, probably 10 degrees with the wind. I probably should have thrown it a little further over here, but they went after it. They seem to be doing okay. We'll continue to finish what I'm doing. I'll get a couple more shots here. I think he's a big fan, mainly because they don't let him buy that hay much. It's gotta be a meanie. Best way to get rid of your Christmas tree. Probably will down to nothing. They're all brats. Never seen one of them. Stay over here. It's cold out. Kneeling on the ground in my gloves. Should check feet and everything. Uh-oh, have to get clocked. Gonna get clobbered. What's going on, Babel? No jerk. All right, so the wind's blowing pretty good. Pretty much killed my battery. So I don't know how much longer I can record anything, but I did notice some boo-boos. Come here, guy. Come here, hey, come here. See if you can see on the end of his ears here. Okay, sorry. On the end of his ears, he's got kind of some frostbite. I'm gonna try to plug this in my truck. See if I can't keep it going here for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay. I'll make this real brief here because it's pretty cold. My camera keeps dying. But come here, buddy. Supplement a little grain here. Try to keep them warm. We're also doing it for the other guys over here. They're all fighting over it. You can tell here. We got going on for everybody. They're all fighting their usual nonsense. The hard part has been keeping the water from icing over. Got a tank de-icer, but just it's too much for what I got. I'm afraid the two they'll get electrocuted with it. Yeah, no, that's pretty much it. It's just been really cold, super cold. Try to keep everybody warm. Just I just want to give everyone a quick update since I've been gone for a bit, and I think I'm gonna cut this one short. I am cold. Maybe I'll take some pictures for the Facebook page. Please don't forget to subscribe or follow us on Facebook. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. All right.